माय चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो मैं इसमें वेक्टर का सारांश एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ। इससे बहुत से दिया गया है। यह वेक्टर v1 v2 v3 डॉट v1 वेक्टर आर सेट टू बी वेरिएबल independently. If a1 v1 vector plus a2 v2 vector plus a3 v3 vector but an v1 vector is equal to 0, a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a3 is equal to an बराबर 0. Vector which is not linear independently called linearly dependent. v1 v2 v3 vn vector are dependent if their existing scalar a1 a2 a3 dot an not all 0 such that v1 vector plus a2 v2 vector plus a3 v3 vector dot an vn vector is equal to 0. Two vector a vector and b vector are Li if a vector is not equal to b vector and lambda belong to R equivalently. A vector and b vector are dependent if a vector lambda b vector for some non-zero lambda. Three vector a b c vector a vector lambda b vector plus b vector b c vector is equal to 0 equal to mu is equal to v is equal to 0 equivalently. A, B, C vector are declared existing scalar mu v not are 0. A vector plus lambda v A vector plus mu b vector plus v c vector is equal to 0. Further, if A vector is equal to A1 I cap A2 j cap plus A3 k cap बराबर b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap बराबर c1 I cap plus c2 j cap plus c3 k cap. C dependent if c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c is equal to 0. A scalar triple product A B C vector are any three vector product of type vector cross B into C vector cross B vector into C vector B cross C vector dot A vector dot C cross A vector B cross A vector dot B vector C vector cross A to B vector dot बीच में है स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट इंटरचेंज विदाउट चेंजिंग ऑफ वेक्टर A vector dot B cross C vector to A vector dot C cross B vector C vector does not equal to A C B vector. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe.